welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about something that is on everybody's lips, and that is how do you make money from YouTube? Recently, YouTube screwed it all over, thanks YouTube, and they demonetized a lot of channels that had less than a certain amount. Now it has completely escaped me how many viewing hours. I think it was like 40,000 minutes or hours of viewing time, something like that. It was a lot of viewing time anyway, and you have to have over 1,000 subscribers. So those are the two. I'll put the text down below of what the actual numbers are, because I've clearly been useless at this. But if you don't have that, they demonetize. So even though my other YouTube channel has been monetized for, I'm gonna say about 7 or 8 years, they just went, nah, you don't have enough viewing time. Boom, no money for you. So I now don't make any money from either of my channels from monetization because YouTube have screwed me over. Thanks, YouTube. When you first launch your YouTube channel, you probably won't make any money from it. That is just the way they play the game. So once you have started to build your channel, if you can get over those two kind of thresholds that YouTube have set out for everyone, then you can actually start monetizing your videos. So what that means is YouTube will show ads before your videos or annoyingly halfway through your videos. But monetizing your actual YouTube videos, unless you are a massive YouTuber, you're not going to earn like thousands and thousands of pounds from doing that. So it can't be where your main kind of income comes from if you are just going to be a YouTube creator or a blogger. So the other avenues that you can take are doing branded sponsored content. So if you can build up your YouTube channel so you have quite a big subscriber base, you are getting quite a lot of engagement, you're getting a lot of views, then brands will want to use you on a PR kind of basis because you have that audience there. You're basically like a walking billboard that people can like plaster their brand all over. So brands will often approach you to say, we have this product or we are doing this campaign, we really want you to be a part of it. And it might be a case of they pay you for a one-off video, or they might hire you as like a brand ambassador to do a couple of videos or work with them on their own content as well. If you're quite a big YouTuber or you're a big content creator, they might hire you to be part of an actual campaign. So that's the kind of branded content that you would do, that you would get your kind of main revenue from. Again, sponsored content, that's more of a one-off kind of thing. So it might be a case of an agency might come to you, like an SEO agency or a PR agency might come to you and say, can you promote this video? Can you promote this product in your video? And you'll be like, yeah, okay. And they're like, okay, we'll give you £100 for doing that. And then that'll be it. And that might be the most that you have contact with those people. So the branded and the sponsored content is probably where you would earn the main bulk of your money. Another way you can make money from YouTube is to offer affiliate links. So they will be in the description of your video. A lot of people use Amazon affiliate links. If you get in contact with a brand that you really love, so for example, I know Hostelworld do affiliates, but a lot of places, a lot of brands and online kind of e-commerce websites will offer an affiliate kind of program. Sometimes you have to actually apply for an affiliate, so they will check your stats, they'll check what your following is and stuff like that, because otherwise it's just not worth it if they're not going to get quite a few people coming through from your videos. So you have to apply for some of these affiliate schemes, but once you have been accepted for it, you can then use affiliate links. So what you will do is you'll put those affiliate links in your description. Then your viewers will come, they'll watch your video and be like, yeah, that's awesome. I want that camera that they're using in that video, or that product sounds amazing that they're harping on about. I want that product. They will go to your description and they'll click on the affiliate link and they'll buy whatever product you or service you are kind of being an affiliate for. And then you will get a commission of that purchase. So affiliate links, again, are a really good way. You can use them on your blog as well. Pretty much anywhere that you can click on a link, then you can use an affiliate link. So affiliates is definitely a way to get some revenue to your YouTube channel. Another way that a lot of YouTubers make money these days is through merchandise and kind of physical products and selling their own physical products. So this kind of only really works if you are a big YouTuber, if you're just doing like merchandise, like t-shirts and stuff for your channel. But also a lot of big YouTubers will be approached by brands and stuff to help them like collaborate on a particular product. So if anybody watches Hey Claire, I know she recently did a collaboration with a jewelry brand and she created her own line of jewelry. So making money directly through YouTube isn't easy, and it's kind of like drips and drabs from loads of different places, but the opportunities that it can open up elsewhere to work with brands not directly through YouTube and create like with campaigns and stuff is massive. But again, people will want to work with you because you have a big user base or like a big viewer base. So the ideal thing to do if you really want to make money from YouTube is to just build your YouTube channel. So it'll be things like making sure your YouTube SEO is on point and you're getting found, you're getting a load of organic traffic from YouTube search and from Google search. You are promoting your videos on your blog or your website through social media. You're doing guest posts, you're sending your videos actually to publications to post, you're collaborating with other YouTubers. All of these ways are great ways to build your audience base and build your YouTube channel and your subscribers and all of that good stuff. And then once you have done that, you will definitely notice that opportunities will still start like coming to you. Obviously, we all want to run before we can walk, and we just like instantly want to become an amazing YouTuber and we want to get all these opportunities. But the fact is, the hard cold facts is that you have to work for it. You have to put the effort in. You have to build it from scratch. Everybody that has amazing opportunities come from YouTube has got that way because they have built their YouTube channel from nothing. Do you think Zoella came onto YouTube and had a bajillion subscribers in like 2 days? No, she has been doing this for years. She's been engaging with her users. She's been creating consistent content all the time. She's been working with brands. She's been guest posting, she's been blogging. She does all this stuff to build her YouTube channel, and now she's like one of the biggest YouTubers. She has amazing opportunities because she has this audience base, but she has built it. There is also agencies that might approach you to kind of be on their books and they'll represent you. So a lot of the bigger YouTubers such as Zoella and Pointless Blog and all of that, they are part of an agency, a part of this kind of company. There are a lot of scams out there. So I get a lot of messages from people being like, I really like your content. Would you like to join this program and earn loads of money, blah, 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 blah. But the fact is you have to be really careful because sometimes they will claim your video content as their own. They'll put you into a contract where they'll basically steal your video content. So don't be swayed or tempted by someone offering you this what seems like an amazing deal. Really do your research if you get one of those emails and decide if it's the right course of action for you. A lot of times they will actually pay you less than what you can earn through AdSense, but it really depends. I mean, especially now that YouTube has demonetized a lot of channels, they are out in force, they are coming to get you. So just make sure that you do your research, have a look into the company, talk to people who have also had emails from them or any experience from them, and just keep an eye out. Don't get tempted just because you want to make bare money from YouTube. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, as per usual, please post them down below. I am more than happy to answer your questions. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Remember to subscribe and to like and to share and all of that amazing stuff. And I will see you in the next video. So goodbye.